Some cricket news now. West Indies captain Rovman Powell says the team is once again in a transition period as they build towards the next T20 World Cup in 2026. The West Indies completed a 3-0 series sweep of South Africa on Tuesday following an 8-wicket win in Trinidad in the third and final match.
The West Indies are currently on their best run in T20 cricket, winning 5 of their last 6 series. The only comparable period in the team's history is when they won 4 series on the bounce against New Zealand, Zimbabwe, Australia and Zimbabwe between June 2012 and March 2013. Tuesday's win was also the 7th for the Windies in their last 8 games against South Africa and the 3rd straight series win against the Proteas. Their only defeat against the visitors came at the T20 World Cup, where the hosts were knocked out at the Super 8 stage. According to Windies captain Rovman Powell, the recent series win against the South Africans shows the team is starting to build consistency.
I think when you look at us as a batting group, we batted well right throughout the series. And also as a bowling group, when we were put on the pressure in that second game, the way the bowlers' reply was fantastic. Yeah, it feels good. It's always good to play a quality opponent like South Africa and actually beat them. Gone are the days when we used to be the team getting whitewashed. So it's a pleasing feeling now that we are the one handing out such treatment.
Meanwhile, with the 2026 World Cup already in the back of their minds, head coach Darren Sammy believes the recent series provided an opportunity to refine some aspects of their game and define how they want to play going
in India.
The next international assignment for the Windies will be against England, who will travel to the Caribbean for 3 one-day internationals and 5 T20s in October-November. Renarda Brown for TVJ Sports.